We gotta clean this up. That's disgusting, eh? Yeah. Freaky deaky. Oh, grimy. Oh, shit. I live in the boonies where there's dirt everywhere like an Interstellar, and I have 7 cats, so it's impossible not to get some sort of debris on it. Plus, I use this 24/7, but we're gonna clean this up. No worries. It's not bad. I've had worse. Watching Fifth Element. Cat. What's up? Oh, snaps. This is nice. Single added switches into every single one. Doesn't it just look pretty? That's the uniformity of Chinese technology. And they do it extremely well, extremely quick. That is what is beating us at this moment. Consumerism based on what we love, this technology, basic technology. But they're making it more complicated for you to repair it, because eventually they'll dominate the market and corner you into being an idiot. Stay vigilant. You gotta, for yourself, just not for against them. I'm not against them at all, but if you do not do things like these, our mind wanders. Pretty cool stuff. Now here's the kicker. Each part is individually pieced, and it is extremely time consuming to disassemble the entire freaking keyboard, knowing that there's and these white switches weren't there. I don't know. It's the work ethic involved into engineering something for you to do. It's a message on itself. Like, this is the type of work ethic that their economy's based. Do you have that work ethic in your daily life to make these kinds of products? And that's the scary part. They've been doing that as the Communist Chinese Party. Ooh. This is gonna be a formidable either ally or enemy in the coming years. Okay, so far, you can still see traces of dirt, grime, dust, and everything. It's impossible. Depending on the living conditions, I mean, you're gonna be living pristine. This is a product designed for the U.S. market. I managed to grab it in a Mexican market, because Amazon is shipping absolutely every single product that they default back here. Once COVID hit, everything got recalled. So all those products, guess what? They're floating all over the universe in barges, in making pseudo money in containers. But Mexicans are like, hey man, you know what? Let's buy these pallets, get some products, and make some money off it. Now, I don't know if this is like a mini documentary. It started with a cleaning, but brand new product. Right? My motto is excellence, not perfection, because perfection unattainable. Only God is perfect. But excellence work can be done by an individual. Now, as a side note, our Mexican president is leaving us out to dry. I love our women, our mothers, our grandmothers, but this is a really lonely place at this moment. It's women this, women that, every single day. And it's not upsetting because you know what, you deserve it. But there's a lot of people that weren't at fault, and you're not going to know what to do with the power that's going to be given to you. So just think about that. And that goes for the US side of the story, because the male side is ready for the other side to strike. And I think that's what's going on at this point. I had to make this video. There's a lot of things going on right now. Those fires, everything. It's just I needed to think. I needed to get my mind clear and get this out. It's the same as the COVID days, but it's not the way people are playing it out to be. It's way more complicated, and it is insidious in all levels of government. Got that multi-pass. Multi-pass. It's great. So, I digress. You know, it's gonna be some fun times ahead, most definitely. But let's see. We should absolutely wash a lot of these keys because I have like 2-3 generations of mechanical keyboards that I've fixed, cleaned, sold, resold, something. Oops, my finger. Data for the CCP. And say hi to my Russian friends. What's up? Israeli Mossad. Everybody working together now. Let's see the new world order happen. Who's gonna police the police? That's what I'm wondering. In any case, watch that movie Enemy of the State next. It's a good one. Almost with the finished product, so to speak. And the movie's almost ending. But I have to take a leak. Dun, dun, dun. Almost done, baby. I gotta put the faceplate on. But maybe, just maybe, needs something else. Bit of pop. Bit of paint job. Nice little coat. What's up? That is one poppin' mother sucker. Now, the final turn on. The movie's over. Everybody gets home safe, I'm guessing. No. Cause I love you, baby. That's why we do it. blast off. Oh yeah, we finished them on the chewy ones. Oh no, wait, the other way around. The light. But yeah, great state of affairs, man. I don't know what the world's coming to, but we're in the vanguard. We're hidden. The spiritual warriors of God. Good night. One last shot. Pretty cool. Nice. Thank you, God, for the gifts and the freedom to help us achieve it and learn.